Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add alt tags to images in WordPress. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To begin, open your browser and visit the WordPress homepage. Once logged in, you will arrive at the main dashboard. Here, shift your attention to the Quick Links section and click Edit Site to enter the site editing area. Inside the editor, locate the image block you want to update. Click on the image to highlight it and reveal additional editing options. After selecting the block, a small navigation bar will appear. Look for the three dots icon, click it, and a menu of extra settings will open. From this menu, choose Edit as HTML to switch the block into HTML mode, giving you direct access to the underlying code. Now that you are viewing the HTML, use your cursor to locate the alternative attribute in the code. It is usually written as ALT is equal to these marks, and this is where you will enter your alternative text. Add a short but clear description of the image, ensuring it accurately represents the content. This is important because alt text improves accessibility for users with visual impairments and helps search engines better understand your content. And that's it. So that is how you can add alt tags to images in WordPress. So that's all for this video. Thanks.